Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So here I get opportunity and place my trade put option. So you see this is winning trade. So let's analyze another market. Here is ranging market. And this is ranging market, consolidation area. I will change. See here, it's like pullback. Yes, it's like pullback. If this candle is hammer, I will place my trade. Yes, I place my trade call option because of this hammer candlestick. I know definitely market will go up. That's why I place my trade. This is the continuation, and this is the pullback. This is the pullback from 20 EMA. Second pullback, this is the first pullback, this is the second. So that's why I place my trade call option. So we have 26 seconds. This is another winning trade. So let's check another one. Here maybe this is another pullback. Yes. So I'm waiting for market. Maybe here is pullback from 2 dB. Sorry, from 1 dB. So I'm waiting for market to create, to give me good signal to take my trade. Oh, this is the retracement, but I know market must consolidate maybe before it start going up. Only because of the volatility, so you have to be careful. So market is trying to consolidate. see. Yes, I place put option. I know definitely market will break this level because of this 2-week candle, so it must close below my entry point. That's why I place my trade put option. Let's see, we have times. Let's see, even though it give me bad entry point, it must close below my entry point. This is the pullback from this fake breakout of 1 deviation Bollinger Band. So that's why I place my trade put option. So I know definitely it must close below my entry point, even though market give me bad entry point. You see, this is another winning trade. So I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade. Let me explain. First of all here, but market is not nice, it's moving very fast. First of all here, you can see market movement here like this. Let's see here. So market attempt to create downtrend at this level, but pull back from 20 MA. It creates an engulfing candle. After it reaches this level, it rejected, it comes back, but this candle is weak candle. It has the same upper and lower shadow, show that market is weak at this level. If I were here, I would have taken my trade at this level. So when market create this hammer, I know definitely will get strong trend. That's why I place my trade call option. You see the next candle very strong. But this is the second trade. The first trade is this one. When I was introduction, this is the first trade here. You see the reason why I took this trade, because this pullback from 2 deviation, even though we are in major uptrend, but this hammer candlestick in confluence with engulfing candle here, this hammer engulf this candle. When I get rejection from this level, I know definitely market will come down. So that's why I place my trade put option. That's why I place my trade put option while I was introducing. Before I start trading, I just see this, I place my trade put option at this level. So this is another winning trade, but this is the first trade and this is the second trade. This second trade, as I was explaining, I see pullback again. After this pullback didn't work, it's another pullback here from 20 MA. See this one work with strong candles. Then the last trade, third trade here, you see here, I see this candle. After any time you see 2 candles with same high, so you should expect the next candle 2-week candle, 2 week. This is weak candle, another weak candle, because this one has the same upper and lower shadow, and this, the body is very tiny. So if you see them at the same top, you see they rejected from Bollinger Band. So the next candle should be a red candle. So I place my trade, but because of the movement volatility, it brought me this level, but I know it will definitely close below my entry point, and I know it will create red candle. Because of the volatility, sometimes you cannot get good entry point. So I supposed to enter this level, but the market is very fast. I place my trade, but it brought me down here, but it's also in trade. So I will stop trading because the market is not nice. if you see this 90% or above, so you should expect fast movement because of the volatility. I took only 3 trades, so all are winning trade. So if you like this video, please like it, share and comment. If you have any suggestion or question, please drop it in the comment section. I will say thank you. Bye bye.